A happy marriage is the union of two good forgivers. You know, you really have to learn how to forgive stuff. So now a toast to Caitlin and Ellis. Everybody we don't have a drink, but that's okay. As a toast, may today be the start of a long and happy life together. Cheers.
I'll speak a little louder.
This is an Irish blessing for Ellis and Caitlin. May your mornings bring joy and your evenings bring peace. May your troubles grow few as your blessings increase. May the saddest day of your future be no worse than the happiest day of your past.
I wanna be with you everywhere. Be with you everywhere.
Although Ellis no longer carries around Curious George, he has found a new travel partner in Caitlin. Even through a pandemic, they have managed to visit Boston, Chicago, Montana, Florida, Utah, Washington, D.C., Cabo, and New York, just to name a few. Some of these trips, Caitlin has even endured the entire Gould family. I speak for both of us when we say that we are extremely lucky that Ellis has found someone who brings out the best in him, and it's such a wonderful addition to our family.
I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. Be with you everywhere.
To wrap up, Ellis has always said he's made 3 important life-changing decisions. The first was going to backpacking sleepaway camp called Overland, which we both followed him on. The second was going away to boarding school, which I also did. And then the third was coming to the West Coast for college. But I think he would now say that there's a new top life-changing important decision, maybe in marrying Caitlin. So if everyone could raise a glass to Ellis and Caitlin.
You better make it soon before you break my heart. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere. I wanna be with you everywhere.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, in the presence of your loving family and friends, and most importantly by the power of your love for each other, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
So Ellis, you may recall a series of questions I had you answer for a game at Caitlin's bachelorette party. Well, one of your answers really struck me, so I'm going to repeat it. The question is, what makes you most excited about marrying Caitlin? And you said, I've started to write this a few times, and it's hard to put into words. On the serious front, she's an incredible partner. I believe she makes me a better person, and we balance each other out. Importantly, we have also become best friends. We are able to have fun and handle whatever life throws at us. And I'm looking forward to making it official. On the lighter front, waking up next to her every day makes me smile. It's like having a permanent adult sleepover. It's incredible. So with that, congratulations to you guys. We love you, and we can't wait to see what life throws at you. To Caitlin and Ellis. May your hands be forever clasped in friendship, and your hearts joined forever in love. Your lives are very special, and God has touched you in many ways. May his blessings rest upon you and fill all your coming days.